10. Genius life hacks, coming right up. From cleaning your blender effortlessly to making your candles last longer, these hacks will transform your daily routine. Clean your blender effortlessly by blending soapy water for a few seconds. Make your candles last longer by freezing them for a few hours before lighting. Prevent pots from boiling over by placing a wooden spoon across the top. Use an empty ketchup bottle to dispense pancake batter mess-free. Pin a dryer sheet to a fan for an instant room freshener. Create a quick ice pack with a wet sponge in a Ziploc bag and freeze it. Unclog drains naturally with a mix of bicarbonate of soda and vinegar. Wrap banana stems in plastic wrap to keep them fresh longer. Hull strawberries easily by pushing a straw through the bottom. Place a rubber band around a paint can to wipe off excess paint and avoid mess. Which hack will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips. See you next time.